Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic TV with a model number TC-either 55 or 65 FX800 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two ways to do this: via the setup menu on the TV if you've got access to it, or via the physical buttons if you don't. So I'll go over both of them in a second. But first of all, there's two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your TV's not working, if it's not responding, if the screen won't come on, stuff like that, if it's not making sound, if it's not connecting to the internet, that's one reason. The other reason is it's just for whatever reason you want to set this TV up like a new TV and wipe everything off of it. This will do that. Now, if you've got access to the screen and the remote control and everything, we can just hit the menu button on the remote control to open the menu. From there, we're going to select Setup, System, Factory Default, and then Yes to confirm. And that will do a factory reset. Now, if we need to do it via the buttons, we do need to be able to have the TV on. The screen doesn't need to be on, but the TV needs to be on. So we need to find the volume down button on the television itself, and then the menu button on the remote controller, which is just below the power button. And you're just going to press and hold simultaneously that volume down on the TV and menu button on the controller for more than 5 seconds. After that, more than 5 seconds is up, we can just go ahead and pull the plug on the TV and then release the buttons. Wait a few seconds, then plug the TV back in and turn it back on, and you'll see it will start up into it's starting up like a new TV, and you can set it up from its factory defaults.